tao. Sinasamahan kayo saan man kayo naroon sa ating napakagandang bayan. Narito samantala si Andre Mulia para sa ulat na ito.
Thank you, Sev. Naging dikit ang laban ng Philippine Army kontra Philippine Air Force nung huli nilang pagkikita. And according to Coach Clarence Esteban, the reason why they lost that game is because they have less experience as compared to the Philippine Army team. Now, we know that he has veteran players in his roster, pero ayon sa kanya, ang ibang players ng Philippine Army merong international exposure. The team is intact and they have been solid throughout the years. Ngayon, he also mentioned na sa larong ito, inaasahan niyang magpapakita ang Philippine Air Force ng matinding determinasyon para manalo. He said that they have nothing to lose, but he wants his team to still fight for the win. Para naman sa veteran setter ng Philippine Army na si Tina Sala, naging dikit ang laban nila nung nakaraang game dahil naging overconfident sila, knowing how many times they've already beaten Philippine Air Force. So today, they will focus on their service reception and make sure that they will play consistently throughout. 7 Ivy?
Maraming salamat, Ann. At alam mo, Ivy, isa sa pinakamahirap gawin, i-close out ang series, lamang ka 1-0. Pero kuminsan, hindi madaling tapusin yung kalaban na gusto pang lumaban at patagalin ang series.
Yes, that's right.
Ito si Cases. Anong tawag?
So the point goes to Army.
7-8 na. Ito, Air Force, kuminsan arangkada na maaga tapos settle down. Parang diesel itong Army. May araw ito. Malakas ang umpisa. May araw, ang bagal.
Mabagal. So, baka depende sa gising, Sev.
Alagay ko, ito, linggo, natagalan ng gising ng konti. Samantala, ganda ng pick-up ni Balse.
Good save from Gaging Balse.
Kaya mo ginagawa yung drill niya sa practice Gonzaga. Si Jubilin. Wendy. Pinaluan. Ano tawag?
Net violation error called up against Army. So the point is awarded to Air Force. So magandang simula para sa Philippine Air Force.
Yun ang gusto nilang gawin kay Ortiz, no? Makascore ng mabilis sa quick. The official ball of the Shakey's Willie is Mikasa. Yan, Ivy, alam mo naman darating, kuminsan hindi mapigilan yun, ano? That is rifle block. Yung umingin kay Ortiz, alam mo gagawin niya. Bakit nangyayari yun? Hindi mo pa rin basta.
Well, sometimes yun kasi, of course, like, ikaw as a blocker, alam mong nandyan siya. But then again, Micah also, gagawa rin naman ng strategy yan
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Kuminsan, isa-soft stuff niya. Tapos biglang hindi papaluan ng ganong...
Exactly. So, kumbaga, it's still the attacker who basically has control over that
Good point. In the meantime, tinaas ni Simana, masibag sa harap. Nilaglag ni Yonko. Tinaas pa rin ng Army. Ni-reverse kay Gonzaga. Tinaas ni Wendy. Parang star game kong bakbakan na ito. Cases!
And that's outside.
Huwag kakaligtaan, November 16 at 17, may pagkakataon kayo makilala at magkadikit ang inyong mga favorite Shakey's Willie stars sa ating All-Star Weekend kung saan isa-celebrate natin ang 10 years ng Shakey's Willie. Alain mo, 10 years, ano?
10 years na parang kailan lang.
Anong season ka naglaro? First, hindi.
Hindi, not the first. Si Anang first.
Okay. Gustuhan na ito. 8-11 ang ating bili. 11-8. Samantala si Cases magsaserve. Si Cases, one of our very gifted, most athletic players dito sa ating torneo and for Philippine volleyball for that matter. Tinaas ang bola ng Army. Gonzaga, pinadala sa kabila. Open set. Bola, papaluin mo ba, Ann? Si Ann, abot yung bola.
That was a good attack from Ging Balse.
Ngayon ko lang na yata nakita. Pagkatagal-tagal na pumalo ng open si Ging. Yung open yun yung malayong set sa kabila. Yung tradition, conventional nung generation namin kung tawagin yan. Tinaas kay Caballejo. Huli ng net. Yes, huli! Nilaglagan ni Gonzaga. Naghanap ng buta sa likod.
Quick thinking from Jovelyn Gonzaga. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa those are one of the skills talaga na as a beach volleyball player, yan yung isa sa mga natural skills para sa kanila. Ayan, so biglang binalik. Nag-iisa si Joy Cassie sa likod.
Kasi daming butas sa volleyball. Dalawa lang yan. Pag tumakbo sa harap, dilagay mo sa likod. Tumakbo sa likod, hulugan mo sa harap.
Kaya nga dapat maganda yung court sense mo Yung peripheral vision, nakikita mo na kung saan ang butas, saan ang galaw ng kalaban. Combination play! Gonzaga once again! Yun ang hindi mahuli-huli ng Air Force. Bigla na lang susulpot si Jovelyn Gonzaga out of nowhere.
Tingnan nyo, ha? Asan si Job? Wala! Andun, no? Nagtago, tinago.
Yeah, but you have to give credit to Mary Jean Balsa in that last play because dun sa pagpasok niya, nakapag-commit siya ng blocker.
Yes.
So nabasag yung blocking. By the time na pumalo si Jovelyn Gonzaga, there's really nobody else to defend that.
In other words, the deception was
Yes.
already created. This one is too strong. And look at this. It is the Army scoring the last 4 points. They were down 11-8 actually, and now they're ahead 12-11. Magsaserve si Rachel Andakis. Huwag kalimutan, Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Balmaceda ang naglalarong libero. Oh, si Alarca wala sa posisyon.
Caballejo with a down-the-line hit. But you can see that Philippine Air Force, medyo nagsastruggle sila doon sa kanilang reception. They have not been giving out good first balls in the past few plays.
Yes.
So medyo nahihirapan. Wala masyadong play ang kanilang gitna. Oh, poor reception.
Ginawa ng paraan ni Tina Salak. Caballejo.
Caballejo drops it.
Tulog. Salak sa likod. Magkagulo kayo. Mukhang out yun, pero never mind. Oh!
Miscommunication from De Ramos and Semana.
Second ball tosser.
Yeah. Actually, kung ano man, dapat aagawin mo yan eh. You know? Especially kung nasa posisyon ka naman.
At saka yung iba gagawa ng paraan mag-clear out eh.
Yes.
Second ball kasi tatakbo naturally yung setter dun eh. Samantala, palo, mukhang malakas. Wala na, committed na si Gonzaga. Tinaas ni Caballejo. Masyado malapit sa net, gagawa ng paraan, pero hindi na nagkatuluyan.
Good block from Ging Balse.
Depensa tayo, depensa!
Chel, magkatono naman kayo ni ano eh. Ha? Joy, tuloy-tuloy mo yung depensa mo ha. Huwag kang tumayo. Tumatayo ka, kaya tumitigil ka eh. Hindi pwede binabato, tumitigil. Dapat tuloy-tuloy.
Got the sneaky feeling that Coach Clarence Esteban was talking about a musical there. He was talking about magkatono naman kayo. But he felt that his team was out of sync really. And it's now 14-12, where now the Army has overtaken the Air Force when it was 12-11. They've scored the last 2 points. Reception, ano?
Reception.
Oh.
Miscalculation from Caballejo.
And Caballejo ended up short there. 15-12 is the count.
So now, ang errors naman ang nagiging cause sa pag-abante ng Army.
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Salak, hello. You were saying? Parang pineapple, ano ha? And she smiles. Enjoys that moment. We shall be right back. Technical timeout taken.
Ito, Shakey's Bill. Bila na.